updating rates and availability in your booking engine. Go to the booking engine solution and click on Rates and Availability. Then either set up by monthly rate plan or by yearly. I will demonstrate yearly updating. First, choose your rate plan. Then click Availability. Click and drag across the dates you would like to set the availability for. Then enter in the number of rooms available and click Save and Clear to save the amount and deselect the area. If you highlight the same area and click on Save Only, it will only save the amount but not deselect the highlighted dates. Now choose Rates. Again, highlight the intended dates again and enter the amount. Then click Save and Clear. If this room type has been set to add in an extra person, then follow the same steps for the extra adult rate and extra child rate. The same steps also apply for minimum nights, maximum nights, close to arrival, close to departure, stop sale period, and release period.